Prepare for addiction! Hello, friends, and welcome to Sassy Kate and Ren. This spicy umami treat is a recipe I'm proud to call my own. It's Sriracha Cauliflower, and it takes cauliflower to the next level. There's science to the batter and magic in the yummy sauce. Let's make this. Cut the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Don't be afraid to cut the components into smaller pieces. Preheat your oil in a wok or fry pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Combine your cornstarch, flour, baking powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, sesame seeds, and coconut into a large bowl and whisk until they're homogeneous. Add your vodka and whisk until it's incorporated. Add your water, half at first, and then tablespoon by tablespoon until you have a smooth batter, adding up to 2 tablespoons of additional water if the batter is too thick. The batter should have the consistency of thin paint and will fall off your fork or whisk in thin ribbons that instantly disappear as they hit the surface of the batter in your bowl. Add the cauliflower to the batter, working in the thirds. Mix the floret into the batter until they are well coated with your batter. Working one floret at a time, lift each coated floret out of the batter, allowing the excess batter to drip off. Carefully, safety first, lower each floret into the hot oil. Repeat with the remaining cauliflower until your fry pan is full. Do not overcrowd your pan. Fry until evenly golden brown and crisp all over, about 6 minutes per batch. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate and season immediately with a pinch of salt. Keep your cooked cauliflower warm while you fry the remaining cauliflower in batches. Now for the sauce. Mix the sauce ingredients together: sriracha, Frank's Red Hot, butter, and lemon juice. And then toss the fried cauliflower with the sauce in 2 batches so the sauce is evenly distributed. Sprinkle with optional extra sesame seeds and serve immediately. You're welcome. Like and follow Sassy Kate and Ren for more delicious recipes.